You better love me again. You better love me again.
Welcome to Channel Tech Wind. This video is about GENEXIS Platinum 4410 ONU, configuration for Bsnl Ftth and Railwire Ftth. This is the GENEXIS Platinum 4410 ONU. You can pause the video and look at the product description here. It supports Bsnl triple play features. This is how the packing in which the ONU comes looks like. It has an user manual with it. Not seen in other ONU types. The procedures are there for the entire configuration of the ONU. The aesthetics are much better compared to the likes of Netlink, Sharp Cyrotech etc. The light indicators are also pretty good. It has 2 LAN ports, a POTS port and 2 Wi-Fi antennas for connectivity. Strangely, this modem doesn't have WPS and Wi-Fi buttons. Going into the configuration. As usual, we are plugging in the modem using the LAN cable. Open a browser and enter the gateway IP address, which is 192.168.1.1. Same as other modems, the login window opens. The username is admin and the password is the MAC address in capital letters. Once you enter the credentials and the CAPTCHA data, you can log in. Here, you can see the interface is much different. While other companies have been sharing the same interface with no differences. By default, there is no WAN connections. Let's go to the Internet section. First, let's see for Bsnl. Here. Select New. Then, the general procedure. Root, Internet, IPv4. You can tag the binding ports or leave them as such. Doesn't matter. The link type is PPPoE. IP protocol is IPv4. VLAN mode is tag. And enter the VLAN ID as provided by your LCO. The MTU can be 1492 or 1460 or 1400. You can leave it as such. But, in some cases, you need to change the values. We'll make videos of it soon. Then you have to enter the PPPoE username and password provided by the LCO. In most cases, it's first 3 letters of the owner's name in which the connection is taken, followed by the phone number, followed by _sit at ftth.bsnl.in. The password is just password. The service name can be anything. Just to give it a tech look. I used Bsnl_Ftth_BB. Now you can give OK. You can't straight away purchase a modem from the shop. Configure it and use for Bsnl connections. The modem have to be binded to the alt device with the ISP or LCO for it to work. This procedures help you only if you reset the modem by any chance. This alt binding is not there in Railwire. So you can just buy, plug, configure and voila. Start surfing. In this same modem, for Railwire configuration, turn off VLAN or untag VLAN, enter the username and password of the Railwire PPPoE, which is same as that of the billing site. Enter the service name and you are good to go. Coming back to Bsnl. You need another WAN connection for voice features. Click New. Root, Voice. Link mode is IP. IP protocol is IPv4. The IP acquisition mode is DHCP. VLAN, tag and the VLAN ID is 1831. For older Bsnl connections, the IP acquisition mode is static. Bsnl provides a static IP for voice. You have to enter it and then enter the DNS ports manually also. The VLAN ID is 1830, which we can see in another video. Later Bsnl switched to DHCP. And just simply entering the VLAN is 1831 is fine. For newer connections, starting after April 2021, Bsnl has changed the VLAN to 1849. You can check with your LCO if you need. This may vary for North regions sometimes. Give OK. And the new WAN for voice is set. Now, we have two WAN connections, point one for internet and one for voice. Remember, if you are an end customer, seeing this video to configure a newly purchased modem from shop won't help you. If newly purchased modem, video is for LCO or the provider. If it's old and got resetted or some settings changed, then it's for everyone. Now since the WAN configuration is over, set up the Wi-Fi credentials. You don't have to change much. Just change the name as you desire and the password. Then go to time and set the NTP servers. Now you have to configure the SIP details to receive phone calls. Go to Application, Advanced NAT, and make sure SIP is enabled. Now, go to VoIP Setup. Enter the server, which is 10.187.7.124, Tamil Nadu, 10.187.6.124, Kerala, and for VLAN 1830 and 1831. Some variations for North regions. But, for VLAN 1849, the server is th.ftth.ims.bsnl.in for Tamil Nadu. I am not sure of the other states. The register server, proxy server, and the outbound proxy is the same. You don't have to enter the secondary server. And the final part. Enter the account number provided by LCO, which is 91 followed by area code followed by landline number. The password is what provided by ISP. For newer connections it's FTTH at XXXX, where XXXX are the last digits of the landline number. Click on Apply, and the configuration is done. If you like the video, click on the like button. And for more videos don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any doubts please comment down here. Thank you.